In recent weeks, we have been looking at different issues in our world and what our response is to those issues. This week, we're looking at something that's a little bit different. And I can best summarize it by asking this and the story that will follow. Have you ever heard that when someone's asking for money, you shouldn't give it to them? I mean, someone on the street begging for money. Do you give it to them? Now, I've heard it a lot that, you shouldn't give it to them. And the reason is always something like, well, they'll just spend it on alcohol or cigarettes or drugs. And instead, you should take them out and give them a meal. This is something that actually happened a lot in my seminary. We were in Washington, D.C. It's a place where there are a lot of homeless or a lot of people asking for some type of help. And there were students in my seminary who would actually, carry around granola bars and packs of crackers to give instead of money. For me, I never felt comfortable with that, and from hearing from formerly homeless individuals who were brought into a class, you got a different sense from it, because there were plenty of places that they could get something to eat, and there were plenty of aid agencies where they could get clothes. They didn't need a granola bar. Instead, sometimes there were things that they needed people didn't give. And more than that, we could look at it a different way of saying, how would you feel as someone was deciding for you what you needed without even knowing you or asking you? I highlight that story to give a taste of what's coming on Sunday, where we're going to look at our actions and how sometimes when we try to do good in the world, we can actually cause harm, and hopefully see how we can be the positive change in the world we want to be, and how we can fulfill God's plan for the world. So, we'll be worshiping at East Salem at 8:45. That's when the live stream will be on the East Salem UMC Facebook page. Otterbein will worship at 10:15, and we will look to see how we can truly make our life a holy and living sacrifice to God. I hope to see you on Sunday.